Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make waffle. This is first time for me. I'm gonna do it because I feel like I wanna eat with coffee, eat the waffle with coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to make. I think I know our ingredient, but I never do one time. This is the first time for me. Let's go start it. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead to do this one first. I mean, I know back in my head, but I don't not very do it just first time for me. Okay, this is less than spoon. I'm gonna go ahead to do this one first. And this is baking soda. Let's go start this way first. See how they come out. Let's start together, guys. Okay, baking soda, just like the same amount of the powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water, mix a little bit. Okay, let's stay there for a minute and stir. This one first. See how they come out. I'm gonna make Panda taste, coconut Panda waffle. Okay, now let them sit on the side. It's already done. Let them sit on the side. So I'm gonna come prepare the flour. Okay, come on, let's go. This is the flour I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use rice flour because this is loud taste waffle. Okay, rice flour and tapioca. So let's go mix the flour.มาเด้อมาเฮ็ดขนมกินน้ำกันพี่น้องขนมมาเบิ่งมาสิเป็นจังไดมื้อนี้เพราะว่าเริ่มต้นที่แรกเลย Okay, this is rice flour. I'm gonna go ahead. This is half cup. I'm gonna go ahead get 1 cup. Okay, this 1 cup. I'm gonna make 2 cup. Okay, that's 2 cup right there. แป้งข้าวเจ้า2 ถ้วยเด้อพี่น้องอันนี้2 ถ้วยแล้วก็tapioca. Let's go half cup tapioca. I don't want too much tapioca. Just go start that way. Okay, this sugar 1.3 is the 3/4. So I'm gonna go ahead 1.3. I'm gonna go ahead put this is brown sugar. Just how about get the 2 cup of 1.3 first. Okay, this is salt. Just put half spoon. Okay, this is coconut. This good flavor. This one good product. Coconut from Thailand. Just go ahead put coconut. Okay, this is egg. I'm gonna put 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 eggs in there. Okay, this Panda. I'm gonna go ahead grab some Panda in here. Alright guys, fresh organic Panda. So let's go start with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Panda in the blender right here. Okay, just go blend and put a little bit water, just get the juice come out. Let's go blend this, guys. Okay, here come. Let's start it. Panda's already blended, so I'm gonna go ahead and filter with this one. This is gonna be smell so good, guys. Okay, now the Panda juice in here now. Look at that. Fresh Panda is no color like in the bottle like people show you like that. This is a fresh one. Alright. Okay, it's all in. I am so excited. Let's go mix. I'm so excited, guys. Wow, this is first time for me, and you show you if this is good. I'm gonna keep this recipe forever to make the like a breakfast cake เบิ่งเด้อพี่น้องนะเฮ็ดง่ายๆเด้อให้มันออกมางามเป็นแบบเก็บไว้เลยอันสูตรนี่นะโอเค just mix gonna go ahead put the yeast and then baking soda in here. Yeah, put everything in. Try to mix and mix until they come out well. Okay, half cup coconut Panda favorite today. So let's go mix all of them coming well. Oh, this is gonna look yummy, guys. First time for me, I can't believe it. Alright. Okay, they're looking good now. Let me taste it. Perfect. I don't like too sweet. It's just like smile sweet. Perfect. It's so good. Let's go start to cook to make this. Okay, มาเริ่มต้นกันเลย Okay, I'll open this. Gonna go ahead put oil in here. Make it nice and moist. Not stick together. Both sides. Alright, let's go. Put in the middle. Oh, looking good. Okay. Close it. Look good. Let it cook. Okay, I'm excited to see what's going on. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Do some more. Alright. Time for the bit. I know what I'm doing right now. I'm good. Okay, I think I'm good. Second one เด้อพี่น้องเด้อที่สองอัดเลยมาจังไดอัดเลยโอเค alright เอาละโอ้เป็นตะแสบเนาะโอเคแล้วว้าว I did it looking good guys looking very good oh my god taste it that's so good yum very good okay time to take it out oh my god looking good I can't believe I make this so good okay wow that's beautiful I did this guy look at that how beautiful is that gonna go some more That's perfect. Okay, 3 minutes. All right, I think one more minute. think that's good. That's it. Done. Wow. I make a good job. I do a really good job, guys. I don't want too dry. Okay, so that's good right there. Gonna go ahead and finish all of this. Last one. แล้วละว้าวว้าวลองดูนี่พี่น้องเป็นตาแสบพอดีนะให้ก็เห็ดกินได้เด้อ anybody can do it see that oh my god look at this oh my god it's all done look at this guy buffalo look at this so I'm gonna go ahead eat this with coffee drink coffee and eat this come on guys come eat with me because I'm by myself I cannot finish okay try to do this let's go make coffee and waffle anybody can make that guys come on how good is that guys drink coffee with waffle I just make 5 minutes ago anybody can do it even baby can do it this is first time for me and I love guys if you like this video thumbs up subscribe and I'm gonna make more together with you guys first time for me first time for you it come out so good so I'm gonna keep recipe right here the way I make it come out perfect you see that it's so nice and very nice look at this alright thank you for watching you like this video thumbs up subscribe and don't forget subscribe so you can see more thank you cheers bye